Hello students, I am Biswajit Sethi, your TA for the course Database Management System, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Through this video today, we will get to know how to install and work with OLAP. Regarding the theoretical aspects, you have been already taught by the professors. So our responsibility through this video is to get you comfortable with OLAP. This is the environment used. Operating system used is Windows 10. Database used is Oracle 11G. Analytical Workspace is AWM 11.1.0.7.OB. GRE version used is 1.8. Coming to the installation process, in the first step, you have to install Oracle. In the next step, unzip the AWM folder. As you can see in this screenshot, once you unzip the folder, you will be getting to more zipped folders. We don't have to do anything with the client one. What you have to do, unzip the standalone folder. Once you unzip that one, you will be getting a jar file. So in the next step, copy the jar file into a new directory AWM. So I have created a new folder AWM. It's up to you whether you create it in D or F drive. So once you do that, dump this jar file into the folder. In the next step, copy the data source.dmp file into the same folder AWM. So we have already shared these files with you. So what you have to do, just copy this data source.dmp, dump it into the AWM folder. It is important to remember that during the installation of Oracle, name the global database as ORCL so that you and me will be in sync. To check whether Oracle has been successfully installed or not, go to command prompt, type the command SQL+. If it is successfully installed, you will be getting a message like its version and installation details. It will ask you to enter the credentials. Your username is system space as space sysdba. Enter the password. Do remember this is the same password which you have created during installation of Oracle. So it is important that you remember the password. Once you do that, once you successfully logged in, you will be getting a message connected to Oracle database. Now we'll be creating users. So for that, go to SQL directory, type this query, create user global new identified by global new. You will be getting a message user created. Once the user is created, we have to give privileges, permissions to the user. So in this particular line, like the username I have given is global new. So it's up to you, whatever username you want to give. And once you give the permissions, you will be getting a message grant succeeded. So I have just created one more user and I have given permissions to that user also. Then go to AWM folder, go to AWM directory and type this particular command to import the data from the data source. So we have already shared the document. All these commands are written there. So you have to just follow the document. So once you do that, you will be getting a message import terminated successfully without warning. So as you can see here that these are the different tables, relations within that DMP file, and each table contains these many tuples. In the next step, go back to your AWM folder in whichever directory, whichever drive you created your AWM folder, go to that folder, open that folder. You will be getting this file AWM 11.1.0.7.OB. Just double click on that. This is an executable jar file. So once you double click on the jar file, your workspace manager will pop up. So from this step onward, we will continue in the next video.